Hello, this is Hope Kaya of SantaFeWebDesign.net, and this is another tutorial on blogging in Joomla for search engines. And in this case, we're talking about using the front-end editing in Joomla. So if you have a website that's been enabled for front-end editing, you should be able to find on the site a login button. And once you've logged in, if you want to be adding new pages to your website, you need another link that's to, it might say submit an article. Mine, I'm just labeling new, so that my client, Barbara Turinen, Santa Fe Chiropractor, santafechiropractor.us, can add new blog posts in particular, okay, to her blog. Now if we go to her blog, Santa Fe Chiropractic blog, we have one little post. We're just getting started, and we could edit this post because she's logged in using clicking that login button. You can see this little pencil has shown up, means she could click on this and edit this article and make her changes live right away. Or, since I have created this new link, she can click on that and create a new blog post. So let's say we're creating a new blog post, what to expect from chiropractic work. Okay, she actually already has a web page about this, but she might want to expand on it in her blog, or we'll just use this as an example for now. The alias you can ignore, especially if there's a keyword phrase in here that people might be searching for. If this is a really generic title with no keywords that people might be searching for, you could try to put those keywords in here, but if they work, put them in here, put them in the title, and then the alias will automatically copy that in Joomla. So now you can see all these buttons have shown up. That's because I've installed JCE Content Editor. If you just use the default editor in Joomla, it won't have as many buttons. But I like JCE Content Editor and all the plugins that go with it. So you can paste text into here. If you write in Word, I recommend that you do it without using italics and bold, because it's best if you paste the text without formatting into here and format it within here. So what I would say is, if you have text in a Word document, you want to copy it into your clipboard on your computer, just by choosing Command-C or Control-C after selecting all the text. And then come back here and choose Paste as Plain Text using this little drop down in the JCE Content Editor. Then it'll let you paste it. And then once you've got all the text that you want in here, you can then start highlighting and bolding. I'm just hitting Command-B, or you can use Control-B or Control-I for italic. And then you can, you'll have all your text. You can add an image, and I just submitted a new article on a new YouTube video on adding images, so look for that. It should be very close to this one in my list. And then you will also keep, so you've got your text, you've got your image if you want it, and then you scroll down, and this is critical. You want this to go, if it's going to be adding to your blog, you want to select the blog category, otherwise it'll put it in the wrong place. You can skip the author's alias, you can skip featured unless you're going to put this on your home page. And this will it should automatically start publishing today and finish publishing never. And then you want your meta description. This is great that the front end of Joomla lets you put your meta description in here. What I do frequently is just take the very first paragraph, which should have some keywords in it, and scroll down and paste it into the meta description. And then the keywords, Google doesn't look at these keywords. Yahoo is still looking at them, and I think Bing is too, as of the time this video is being made. But you could put, I would put one phrase here. you know, just one, or even Santa Fe chiropractic. You might even say just chiropractic technique, right? For what to expect from chiropractic work. You want to kind of, you know, make it smaller to fit more likely what people are searching for in Google. And if you want to do two, you could do two. What to expect from a chiropractor. You know what I'm saying? Something that people might be searching for. Now, we double check everything we've just done. We've got the title. We've got the we are ignoring the alias because we've got keywords in there. We've got the content. We've got the category selected. It's published, it's not featured. We're ignoring the start and finish. And it's public. You don't even have to touch that. We've got a meta description. We've got keywords. So now I am going to save this, and I'll delete it right away, but we're going to scroll back up and hit the save button. Okay, now watch what happens when we go back to the website, and here we are actually on the website. Now see, it says article successfully submitted. That nobody else in the world will see that, only you, because you're logged in. So let's go to the blog. There it is, what to expect from chiropractic work. So we're going to delete it right now. But that's how you add a blog post to your Joomla website from the front end. Now, I said this was about search engine optimization, so I'm going to go back in and do a little more SEO on here. So I just clicked on that little pencil so I could get in, and I'm going to say here, this is, let's say you're talking about what to expect from chiropractic work. You could say, learn more about what to expect from a chiropractic, let's say in a chiropractic adjustment by Barbara Turner. And you can highlight that text, what to expect in a chiropractic adjustment. And we're going to link to a page that already exists on the website. So I'm going to highlight this link, insert edit link, and I've clicked on it. And that page is accessible from the menu. You know how there's a menu with home, about, contact? If the page you're reaching for is accessible in the menu, you can go ahead and click on it and then find the menu that's appropriate. In our case, it's the main menu, and see where it says what to expect. We're just clicking on that, and then we say insert. See how there's an underline? Now sometimes Joomla will not show an underline here, and you have to roll your cursor over it to see that it is a link. But do that and make sure it's a link. And now we've got these terms in here, chiropractic adjustment and what to expect, and we are going to save this, and we're going to go back to the website. Here we are, we're in the website. And now here, see how it's white? Oh, we were going to make that bold. I'll make that bold. Not from the back end. I'm going to do some cascading style sheet work to make these links bold. But I'm going to click on what to expect. Now it links directly to her page, what to expect from chiropractic work. Now, maybe what to expect from chiropractic work isn't the best keyword, because how many people are really searching for that? So another way to look at it might be, another approach might be, well, what are the best keywords? And I would say Santa Fe like look here, see the Santa Fe chiropractic blog, how she linked to the homepage of her blog itself on this post? So let's go in there. We've got this little pencil here. We're going to play with that post, which came before. And I've clicked on the pencil, and here we are. So I'm going to click on this link and break it. Because see how it says unlink? I'm unlinking it. And I'm going to link this phrase, Santa Fe chiropractic blog, which is a great keyword, Santa Fe chiropractic, to the actual homepage of the blog by clicking on that link icon. And now we do have this in the menu, so we're going to click on menu, main menu, blog. Okay, and now insert. That's how you do it. And so you could even put something like this at the end of every post. It is better if you customize it and you link to different pages on your site, or even link to different blog posts on your site. Okay, so using keyword phrases that link to pages that are optimized for that. In other words, see how Santa Fe Chiropractic blog is at the top here? That's the title tag for that page. So when you link to it using the phrase, thank you for reading the Santa Fe Chiropractic blog, and you highlight that phrase like we just did, Santa Fe Chiropractic blog, and link to the homepage for the blog, that's what search engines like. When you have a phrase that people are already searching for, and you're using it as a link that goes to a page that has that phrase in the title tag, and ideally the descriptive meta tag, and all the places which your web designer should know. And if you don't know, there are other tutorials on this YouTube channel that will tell you. So, okay, that's the basics of working from the front end in Joomla with a, and I'm going to unpublish. I'm going to save this and unpublish the post we just did, so that, because she doesn't need this on here, I'm going to click on the edit article. So you can have something that's not published that you're working on. You could create something like this and have it be unpublished, but you could come back and work on it. So see how it says status published? We're going to say unpublished, okay? And then I'm going to save it. And now, this is an interesting little thing I'm glad came up while I'm doing this video, which is, we're waiting for this to fully save. And now, remember, we're logged into the front end of the website. And now, see there, it's still showing, right? But look, it's got this little blue pencil, and this blue pencil means only you can see it. Nobody else can see it. So if we were to log out right now, go to log out. If you don't have a log out link, just go to log in and you can log out. So now, if we look at the blog after logging out, you'll see that post doesn't exist anymore. So, but it will be available to you when you log in. Okay, those are the basics. Have fun blogging in Joomla from the front end using JCE Content Editor. This is Hope at SantaFeWebDesign.net.